Video of us in Abu
2 yil
Dhabi a
oldin
couple
sen
years
bilan
ago
Abu Dabida
has been
mehmonxonada
circulating,
kurashgandik.
You know, where we were wrestling at the hotel. And then that was the first time.
Bu
that
janglar
fight out
orolida bo'lganda,
kinda
o'shanda
picked
sen
me up
meni
a
biroz
little
ko'tarib
bit, like a little bit
aylantirganding.
off the ground.
Ikkinchi
Second
marta ham
time,
kurashdik,
we were
lekin bu
wrestling
safar
again.
sen meni balandroq ko'tarding.
Picked me up a little higher.
Men
Never
bugungi
felt
video
disrespect
haqida
until
gapiryapman.
today. You can't
Bu
pick me up
hurmatsizlik,
and
Hamzat.
spin me around. I'm a
Men
grown
katta
man,
kishiman
Hamzat.
endi. Buni yaxshi ko'rganim uchun qilyapman.
But you pick me, I'm not a child.
Men yosh bola emasman oyog'imni
My
chirpirak
legs
qilib
spin.
aylantirgani. Qo'ysangchi, yoqimtoyligingni qara.
Hey, with the big shirt.
Senga nima bo'lyapti? Futbolkang boshqacha ekanmi?
Anderson ordered stuff.
Bu juda yaxshi futbolka, men yaxshi ko'rgan kompaniya. Ishing bo'lmasin, bu chiroyli futbolka. O'zingchi, nega doim qora futbolka kiyasan? Boshqa ranglar yo'qmi? Qora kiygan yaxshiroq.
You gotta put that right there. You talk really
Qora
good.
kiygan yaxshiroq. Nega? Bilmadim, o'zimni yaxshiroq his qilaman. Bu rangga nima deyishni ham bilmayman. Sen oldin o'zingga va menga qara. Men chiroyliman. Qora, karamel rangman. Sen chiroyli emassan. Chechen yuzlisan. Erkak kishi chiroyli bo'lishi shart emas. Nima bo'lish kerak? Chempionmi? Qizlarga ko'proq terroristlar yoqadi. Shunchaki hazillashyapman. Bilaman.